Hello, Tayo! Click here to subscribe!
I can't get anything done because of all this heavy stuff.
Oh no! Help turn Billy the Bulldozer into Monster Billy! Move to the correct location. Press the button to bring the examination table down.
That was great!
Take out the old engine.
Woohoo!
Put in the monster engine.
That was great!
Tighten the screws on the engine.
That was great!
Loosen the screws. Take off the tires.
Woohoo!
Get rid of all the old parts.
Well done!
Put the monster parts together.
Woohoo!
Put the boxes in front of the bulldozer. Push the boxes into the container. Push the tire in front of the bulldozer. Push the tire into the container.
Well done! That was great!
Attach all the new parts.
Woohoo!
Wow! You've completed Monster Billy. Let's take him for a spin.
Yup! Well done! Yup! Yup! Yay! Yup! 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 Woohoo! Woohoo!
Oh, Billy, you've become so much stronger. You're awesome.
Thanks to Monster Billy, everything was put away in a flash. Where do you want me to take you?
The bus takes passengers to the bus stop near their destination. Shall we go driving together? If you see a passenger, press the stop button.
Hi, I am Rogi. Yeah!
Yahoo!
Good! Hi, I am Rogi. Yeah!
Yahoo!
Good! Hi, I am Rogi.
Find the passenger making the noise.
Here we are.
Thank you so much.
When the passengers arrived at their destination, the little buses felt very proud of themselves. If you see a passenger, press the stop button.
Where do you want me to take you? Hi, I'm Tayo. Nice to meet you. Where do you want me to take you? Hi, I'm Tayo. Nice to meet you. Yahoo! Where do you want me to take you?
Find the passenger making the noise.
Thank you so much.
When the passengers arrived at their destination, the little buses felt very proud of themselves. When there was a big fire in the building, Frank the fire truck rushed out.
I gotta extinguish the fire and save them.
Shoot water into the building and extinguish the fire. Thanks to the fire truck, the fire got extinguished.
Whoa! Frank is the best!
Of course.
Shoot water into the building and extinguish the fire. Thanks to the fire truck, the fire got extinguished.
Whoa! Frank is the best!
Of course.
Whoa! There are so many insects in the forest.
Why don't we look for different kinds of insects with our little bus friends? Find all the hidden insects. Ant, bee, fly,
Mantis, cicada,
moth,
grasshopper, butterfly, ladybug. Yahoo!
We gathered a lot of strange insects in the collecting box.
Yeah, I'm excited. I am gonna tell my friends about it.
Ant, bee,
Fly, mantis, cicada,
moth,
grasshopper, butterfly, ladybug.
Find all the hidden insects.
Cicada,
Moth,
bee, dragonfly, spider, cricket, butterfly, fly, mantis.
Yahoo!
We gathered a lot of strange insects in the collecting box.
Yeah, I'm excited. I am gonna tell my friends about it. Cicada, moth, bee, dragonfly, spider, cricket, butterfly, fly, mantis.
Speed and Shine came to the racing arena.
Let me drive.
Hooray!
Gather all the alphabets. I, M,
Whoa!
Z,
Whoa!
U,
Yahoo!
A,
Yahoo!
O,
Yahoo!
R,
Yahoo!
E, T,
Yahoo!
H, Whoa! Speed and Shine both won the first place.
We're certainly the best.
I, M, Z, U, A, O, R, E, T, H, gather all the alphabets. H,
Yahoo!
Y,
What?
J,
What?
V,
Yahoo!
D,
What?
P,
What?
F, C,
Yahoo!
Z, L, Whoa! Speed and Shine both won the first place.
We're certainly the best.
H Y J V D P F C Z L. The class began at the Car Academy.
What am I going to learn again today? Many things are curious to me.
Guess the hidden car.
Excellent! Garbage truck. Good! Tractor. Excellent! Excavator. Good! Fire truck. Excellent! Bus. Good! Mixer truck. Excellent! Bulldozer. Good! Tow truck. There are so many different kinds of cars. How amazing!
The car friends really enjoyed the class.
Garbage truck. Tractor. Excavator. Fire truck. Bus. Mixer truck. Bulldozer. Tow truck.
Guess the hidden car.
Excellent! Taxi. Good! Tow truck. Excellent! Race car. Good! Bus. Excellent! Police car. Good! Fire truck. Excellent! Garbage truck. Good! Delivery truck. There are so many different kinds of cars. How amazing!
The car friends really enjoyed the class.
Taxi, tow truck, race car, bus, police car, fire truck, garbage truck, delivery truck.
Carrie brought a lot of colorful balloons. Shall we hand out the balloons to the cute baby cars? Hand out the balloons that have the same color as the car.
Yellow, red, white, yellow, red, white, purple, purple, it's blue, just like mine. Yellow is my favorite color.
The baby cars shared the balloons with each other.
Yellow, red, white, yellow, red, white, purple, purple,
Hand out the balloons that have the same color as the car.
1, yellow, green, yellow, white, purple, green, purple. It's blue, just like mine. Yellow is my favorite color.
The baby cars shared the balloons with each other.
White, yellow, green, yellow, white, purple, purple, green. Hana is working very hard to make something at the bus garage. Hana, what's that? This is a robot that makes everything small. Don't ever touch it because it's dangerous. When Hana went shopping after a while, Tayo secretly came near the robot This looks fun! And when Tayo pressed the button, the robot shoot out a stream of light. When Tayo opened his eyes, he saw the tire and robot that became very big. What? Don't tell me I shrunk! Just then, Duri came to see Tayo. Where are you, Tayo? Let's go out and play. Huh? Duri, I'm here! Come and help me! But no one could hear Tayo's voice because his voice was so small. In the end, Tayo ran away because he was afraid a foot might step on him. But this time, a huge kitty came over to Tayo. The kitty kept chasing Tayo because it thought he was a mouse. Help! This time, Tayo met huge Rubby.
Huh? That's garbage!
Rubby tried to sweep Tayo off because he thought Tayo was garbage. Ooh! This time, Tayo met huge kids.
It's a toy!
The kids shook him around up and down and side to side. I'm dizzy. This time, Tayo fell into a cold river. Big fish madly attacked Tayo. No! Don't eat me! Tayo swam for his life and came out of the water. Just then, he saw Hana, who was going back from her shopping. Tayo jumped with all of his heart and energy.
Hana!
Luckily enough, Hana recognized Tayo. Tayo, what happened? Using the robot, Hana restored Tayo to what he was like before. That was close. Don't ever touch my stuff without permission. I'm sorry. Only then, Tayo gave a sigh of relief.